this all day. Yeah. Yeah. Let me flip this. Y'all, let me zoom out. Y'all, we been.
I'm trying to see what it looks like.
Oh.
As a man, why are you saying love?
It look good.
I look crazy though.
No, you don't. I look crazy. Look at me. Y'all, we all look crazy. Y'all, we all look crazy. No, for mine look good. So it's fine.
You really stained your mirror.
Yeah, I found the bathroom tray, y'all. Y'all think this gonna look right?
Yeah, go put it in there.
Maya?
Bye.
Yeah, you gotta use some bleach.
Go put it in there. Girl, this already been cute when oh, this already cute.
This gonna look nice.
Yeah, this gonna be tea.
I'm gonna hang my jewelry.
Girl, let me start using up all Okay, so I got this towel rack from Dollar Tree. It was $1. I do plan on, oh, y'all, these lashes. Oh, hold on. We just keeping this in the corner because it's very cheap. This definitely, you can tell it's cheap, but you can't tell it's cheap by looking at it. But honestly, I might not get a towel rack. I really don't. So I just like to keep that in the corner so nobody can see it. I really don't want nothing on my counters. Nothing's gonna be on my counters. I don't care, no knife, set, no nothing. It's gonna be on my counter. Literally, okay? So I got these two gray towel. That's the colors I'm going with the kitchen. I did want a white and gold kitchen, but I wasn't able to tour this unit, and I'm gonna give a whole nother backstory about my moving process because I didn't vlog that at all. I might put that with the fully furnished apartment tour, who knows, or I might just make it, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Once I seen the unit, because I wasn't able to see it until I moved, the day that I moved in, I seen the unit online. The leasing agent, she showed me a 360 virtual tour, and I said, yes, I haven't had it, can I go to it right now? But she told me somebody's actually occupying that unit right now, so I can't tour because somebody's living here right now. So I was kind of upset and I was waiting. I actually got approved a month in advance. I'm kind of telling y'all now, but yeah, that's why I wasn't able to tour it. When move-in day came, that's the first day I was able to see the unit, this apartment unit. And I fell in love with it. I loved it so much. It looked just like the 360 tour. It's crazy. But yeah, so when I seen it, I was like, huh. I see all this silver appliances and then the cabinets. And then online, the cabinets look kind of cream, but then they look gray. But then it could be cream. So it's like, I didn't know. I really thought they was cream. But when you see the person, it's more like a grayish cream. Like in the camera, it kind of look cream, but in person, it's more like a gray. So I decided to go with just gray and cream in my kitchen. Gray and white, gray and cream. So that's what we're gonna do. And I also like to keep this soap in the sink because I don't want anything on the counters. Like, it still look like a brand new house, like with nothing on the counters. Y'all see that? That's how I just container with the wooden thing. I did in my laundry room. I did want like white and like wood accessories. Like that's how I wanted to decorate. But like I said, I never toured this unit, so I didn't know what the laundry room looked like. All I seen was this door. I was hoping, yeah, I was hoping that they had, yeah. So I ordered this shit like before I moved in, like while I was still in my own house, and it came with the stickers. Well, they also sent me 3 stickers with a lot of stuff, but I only ordered 1 plastic bin. I love this for my laundry pods. I use laundry pods. The only thing is, when I came here, I didn't have nowhere to store the laundry pods. So I went to Amazon, and my auntie, she ordered the rack for me. I just want to say thank you to all the family members that have gotten stuff from my house. It's a huge help, and I love everything. So she said she would pay for my rack for me, so she did. And she ordered this mini rack off of Amazon, which fits right in here, which I love because it fits in the little crack. It fits, as y'all can see. So she said I should order another plastic bin, but I don't want to because this is so cute. So it's like I might end up trying to buy a bigger one to fit, because this could almost fit. It just needs to be like 2 inches, probably even 1 inch bigger. No, 2-3 inches bigger. So this would fit in there. I would be in heaven if I did. And then plus, that's the only thing I hate, that my thing gotta sit on there looking crazy. And then let's start this bathroom. We about to be here all day. So y'all see in the other video, as I was putting up the my tray and stuff, which is super cute. This tray is everything. The tray. Then we're gonna have my robe. This matches the vibes of the bathroom. The brown robe. Let's put this in the corner, so we can see everything. All of this up. This is so cute, right? I love it. I love it. But now we're gonna put all this stuff in this empty container. Uh-oh. my cleaning supplies, got medicine. Yeah, well, somebody been in here. Y'all, this stuff was very organized. I don't even know how I had it, girl. Oh my goodness. This is ridiculous. It's supposed to be over here. I don't know. But yeah. Cleaning, medicine. And so, what I have in here, I have all of my tissue, conditioner, well, shampoo and conditioner in my pads. I think I'm gonna buy a container to put my pads in. That would be cute under the sink. And then I just have all of my candles in this bag. I never even got a chance to light one. Okay. I guess y'all can watch me organize this cabinet. I already put, this is like extra stuff, like more deodorant, mouthwash, more soap. Like when I run out of stuff, this is the drawer I go to refill things. I have a lot of soap in here, like toothbrushes. Okay, so I just put extra toothpaste in here, got extra containers if I'm ever going out of town, flying. I got toothbrush holder, soap bars, I got an extra container for deodorant, got toothpaste, got mouthwash, got more soap. Whenever I run out, got extra soap in there. And then I have my hair drawer right here, which we're about to organize. This was very organized, but I have sisters that's here almost every day. They don't clean up and put stuff back. That's kind of like a little pet peeve. Because, you know, when you move, you want everything to be clean, right? But it's not their house, so they don't feel the same way. So, I'm not going to put all the blame on them. Because when I see how dirty it was, I just stopped like trying to put it back, and I was just throwing stuff in the drawer. So I'm not gonna put all the blame on them, but okay, so this is what we did for the hair. We just got a container full of my brushes and scrunchie, and this is like for lashes, hairpins, scrub in there. Then this is all like my shower, you know, or washing your face, you know, protection from water. This is Vaseline, and then I have a drawer full of lotion. This is like body lotion, smelling good lotion, and then Vaseline right here. And this one should be pretty organized. This is the drawer full of face stuff. So that's that right there, okay? So first thing first, we're gonna do this. It's from my mom's house, my toothbrush holder. But since I didn't want to have nothing on my counters, my toothbrush stay in here. A bag full of, if I'm going to somebody's house spending the night, I got like my soap container, put my soap in there. I got soap already. It's like, you know, the airport thing. Like I have stuff like, I can just grab this bag and I go, you know, if I'm spending the night or going on the airplane. This is a makeup bag, and this is a weave back there. I'm gonna do a quick weave with that. I'm gonna get my hair done soon. I don't know when, but yes, I just keep this right here. I really don't like this. I don't know how to organize it. I mean, ain't nothing in here. Let's see how this would look if I hide this. This looks 10 times better. So we're gonna do that. And then I just have my makeup stuff that I use every day, which I don't use this every day. I just really use this every day. My eyebrow pencil and my lip pencil. But this is just some makeup. Yep. So then this drawer is nothing on here. I have brought this mom's house where I keep my bands, my headbands that I love to wear. Like, I don't know. So there's nothing on this shelf because y'all don't have, I have so much storage. I don't have stuff. Maybe if I should put this behind here so it can look like I could, because I don't use this. Then I'm thinking, why not transfer this shelf to right here so I can have my towels and rags? Y'all, we about to do some organization. Let's, hold on. This is the cabinet. This is where I keep my necklace. Got a little necklace thing. I got my makeup. I put that right there. Got the Febreze back there. And I got all of my perfume, sunglasses right here. Then all of my jewelry. So this is jewelry, perfume, makeup, stuff I need every day. It's gonna be up here. And then I really don't need nothing on here but my toothbrush. That's empty up there. I don't know, that might be extra storage. And then because I want to make down here, hold on, okay, because I want to make this one down here just towels and rags. And these are all my blankets and stuff, but since my ottoman came, I'm about to put some of that in there. So this is still gonna be towels and rags. And when my ottoman come for my couch, I'm gonna put that stuff in there. So hopefully I don't have to keep none of my blankets and comforters in here no more. All of this right here, these two shelves gonna be towels and rags filled up. I might do all rags up here and all towels, whatever the case may be. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And then, I don't know, this extra storage, and this is really extra storage too. I don't know what I'm gonna do.